Yeah, good day. Welcome to Multinet Design in the continuation of our modern apartment we are working on. So, last episode we were able to create awareness of this of the site. Now we want to continue to develop this particularly. So, we want to focus here right here and continue the progress of the work. So now we say that this place belongs to. So, like I said, now let me quickly do something so I'll be able to adjust whatever I'm adjusting. So I have this one to be 6 meter, okay, and then leave the back alone. So now I want to reduce it. It's a little bit more longer. Let me see from the front to this place. I want to make this front to be like 7,000. So that's what I want to do. So I'm going to select all and adjust it, shift it to get to 7 meter. Now I'm going to reduce this one. So I'm going to go here and change this one to 9 meter. Good for me. So I will align this to do this. So how I want to have now. So I'm going to get this one open to. So I start. So I'm going to get this one like very big like this. Move. Now what I want to do here is that it's 280. 280 in the sense that I'm going to adjust this one to accommodate what I want it to accommodate. So now let's move on. This is going to be a staircase for me, a partly exit to a garden, and what else? So let's go on. So Fiji, because I don't like this one, so I'm changing this cut line to, so I'm going to say wall. So what I just want to change the graphics display, you can just say render, it's no matter. So I'm going to go to cut, so it's displaying none. I'm going to use solid and click OK, then OK and OK. So map back to black. So I prefer this one, seeing it in this way. So what I do is that first is you need to get a door. So get your door components, click on door components, select if there's anyone, just put the door here. So I'm going to select this particular one and let it be entrance. So I'm going to have another entrance. No, I will not have entrance here, but I'm going to have like exits at this back. No. Do not let me have exits. There's a reason, because this just open to another person's compound. So if I want to have, it should be something here. So I'm going to develop that now. So this is the staircase. So what I have is that I'm going to have a sitting room line down here. But before that, let me quickly adjust the window and put that. So I'm going to use curtain wall for my window. So like this one now, I'm going to use it and say, so you see automatic embedded, because so that it will be able to fix itself within the roof. So panel none. So I'm going to say vertical layout. I'm going to fix that vertical layout. So vertical layout is, for me, is going to be 600. So let me just have 600. So horizontal layout, I don't have anything. So mullion here, I'm going to use a mullion of I'm not going to use radius, I'm going to use square. .c. Good. This will be what I'm going to use. So I'm going to start now. If I want to do that, you change the property from here, because it's not going to touch a side ground. So I'm going to raise at least one block, so 250 to precise. So what will go happen here is that I'm going to use this one to be so I'm going to say 2,300 or no, 2,400. Let me use that one. Just let me minus that from there. So I'm going to get this in place. So I will say 1 2 should be the ID. Good. So from there now you can copy this. I'm going to say copy or mirror from the middle to stay opposite. So this is why I'm going to use all the window through. So I'm going to say create similar thing. So maintain that for me, then adjust it to 1,200 of the same height. So for now the next thing, let me focus on this one. I say copy now, copy from here and paste here. So you say do the same thing or you mirror it, so it depends on you, but I will prefer you do this. So you prefer you do this one. So remember, you have kitchen, you have door, everything is going to be systematically. But for a proper demarcation case, I'm going to have like a new level. So the new level I'm going to get is that I will raise it up. So let me quickly create the floor and say architecture. So I'm going to say architecture, then you select this and you fix it in. So you say click finish. This is there, the floor, the slab is created. So what I do now is that let me just adjust this for now. I'll create the remaining one later. So on join. So not yet, because this is going to be like if adjust this one to fix. So I have my stair hall here. This is going to be for my visitor toilet. Now I'm going to have one exit door on this level. So to open to the garden, because I'm going to create a garden around this place. So for this to be effective. Now I have done with this one now at this level. So let me quickly annotate. So just like living room. Okay. Sorry, should be living room. Okay. So at this place I'm going to have dining. Then I'm going to do the kitchen. Everything is going to be an open thing. So I'm going to get the kitchen. So the next is that staircase. So I'm going to fit it toilet here, fit it. So then the stair hall, come back later to do that. So I think with this now, open plane, everything go up. Good. So that's the ground floor. So let me quickly go adjust to the first floor and see how far can I adjust that one. So we'll do a quick walk based on what we have on ground. So I'm going to say level 2. At the level 2 now, I will select so this is still going on. So I'm going to use this to design that. Now the funny part is that this one I'm going to cantilever it a bit, but just let me get the idea rank. So it's still going to be of this nature for now. So I'm going to cantilever this one like yes, 700 will be okay, and then you close it. So I'm now going to because I'm going to have a 2-bedroom here. So how am I going to do that and be confident for me? It's just a brain thinking situation. So I'm going to divide this one into 2. So let me divide this, like I'm going to divide that. So here now I will adjust this one by having it from here, divide it into 2 as well. Now the problem will be, how would you access this particular thing right from staircase and get it here? So it's going to be simple. The simple aspect is that I will divide this one. Why are we remove this one from here? So what you need to judge that is your door. So I'm going to say door here. So let's say door. I have a door here. So it's interpolating. So I'm going to do that. So that's how it looks. So you get now. So I'm going to say door here. Since I have door here, I'm going to have door here as well. See, this door is going to be here. Okay. Then you ask me that. So what will not happen? Will I going to leave it like this? No, I'm not going to. So I'm going to break this one into 2. Understand? Why this one is going to be still going to come up on the open level, so come down like this. Why this is going to, so you get, so increase this one, then increase this one as well. So when you check a measurement from here, it should be a good size of a place to contain a very size of a bed. So the what just needs to do is to click here. So this is going to be toilet and bath side. This is for this place there. I'm going to create a toilet and bath at times again for this one, but this is not where it's going to be. Your toilet and bath is going to be, this is a master bedroom, so you're going to have this one in place by dragging it like this. So what I have here is that I'm going to create my toilet and bath here. It's going to be a very long stuff, so make it a very long situation. So cut it up like that, so you can have this one at the edge. So you get, so what you do here is that you create this, and then you have, so toilet and bath from here, toilet and bath for this at this level as well. So you just enter, you climb up. It's not going to end, then you continue your journey to another level. So now I have my, so I'm not going to have a whole a lot of how will I call it now, slab here. So I'm going to say slab. I'm going to continue by saying architecture. So click, use this to finish up what you are creating. So here I'm creating this. Now I'm going to divide this one into a way that suits me. So from here now, my slab is going to take place from this beam and run here. It's not going to run all through. Understand? So that is the way I work this one out. So I'm going to do this one by selecting, and then, so if you click finish now, see something. Okay, the internal reference has issues, so I'm going to change that. I think let me do it now. Fine. So this giving me what I need actually from what I have created. So I'm pleased with this. So in the annotate, when I come back in the next tutorial, we are going to do everything. Actually, this is the level 2 for the case, maybe a room, the toilet and the toilets, and this is the passage. So by the time we design the staircase, you're going to see also. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial when we continue to develop it the more.